Good morning, everyone. Right now it's almost like 10:10. We are going to Benguet province from Pampanga to Benguet province. From here, the Bridal Whale waterfalls only 4 kilometers. So it's going to be uphill. This road leads to Baguio. Today is quite misty, as you can see. Beautiful day. Wow. I'm hoping there's supposed to be some waterfall because it is dry season. There's no water. That's going to be disappointing. Wow. Beautiful bridge. Look at it. Woohoo! Yeah! Nice. It's under maintenance. They're painting the bridge. Wow. I like the color. It's kind of power line. Very hard to play the drone because drone cannot identify the power line. Wow. Beautiful location. Like a tunnel. Woohoo! Nice. .1 kilometer. Beautiful. Hoping of water in the waterfall. Yeah. As I suspect, only a little bit water, but either way, I'm going to check it out. I'll stop over here. There. As I suspect, there's some water there. Look at that. You can get a clear view from here. Look. Bridal Falls. Look at the view. Right now it's almost like 10:26. Wow. It's an iron hanging bridge. Let's see how it goes. Woohoo! It's nice. It's pretty steady. Seriously. Look at the situation. I was disappointed a little bit. The water level was a little bit low. But either way, you cannot ask too much when you're going to explore because this is not the rainy season yet. That time it's going to be like a full blown water. Right now, no. You have a shelter. Let's see how it goes. We go here. There's a house there. I don't know. Whew. Wow. The water not so clean, but either way, fantastic. Now maybe around 25-meter height. That is the best place for drone shot. Wow. Okay. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. Thank you. Okay. Jump. Okay. Jump, jump, jump. Okay. Wow. Beautiful place. Woohoo. Look at that. Nice. Seriously awesome. Even you can go there also. Lucky enough, have a lot of grip there. Wow. Woo. Look at that. How does it look like? Beautiful. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel, will be awesome. I'll see you guys next video soon. Thank you. Bye bye. Mwah.